Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Cherry Gardens and I want to show you guys the state of the roads in Cherry Gardens. Now Cherry Gardens is one of the top neighborhoods in Jamaica. A lot of It's what you call an uptown area in Jamaica. Very nice homes, $1 million homes. I don't think any home here goes for less than 80 million Jamaican. That's probably what they start at, and some go as high as 1 million US. But look at the roads. Now, would you believe the government has $40 billion to spend on the Spark program to fix roads, community roads, and main roads? They have $3 billion under the REACH program to fix these roads. NAA gets an allotment every year to fix roads. The parish council isn't actually in charge of these parochial roads. And members of parliament get constituency funds to do projects like fix roads. So it's very surprising to see the state of these roads. And unfortunately, it's not just this neighborhood. There are so many roads in Jamaica that need fixing, that have potholes in them. When a main road has a pothole, you know things are bad. These community roads, as they call them, you can understand they don't have as much traffic as a main road. But so many main roads have potholes on them. I can't remember. Let's not go there. So we're just giving you a tour today, guys. Let us know what you think of these roads. And tell us about the roads in your neighborhood. And we can go and make videos of the roads. So tell us about the condition of the roads in your neighborhoods. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.